Guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can join my classes using the Silabu app. So I already have an account, so I'm just using a demo account. What you have to do first is download the app. Then after that, if first what you ask you to do is to input your name. So I already have an account. I just put JNS here. And then after that, press next. It will ask you to insert your profile picture. So I'm just using a demo. I'm going to create a demo account here. So just capture a picture using my camera, and that is going to be my temporary profile picture for this account. And I'm using the privacy part of my phone to create this account since I already have a main account that I'll be using. If you want to register with your phone number, since you already have your country there already inputted, you'd have to skip a few digits there. So I'll start with 979 and then continue with the rest of my number. So I'm leaving out the first parts, +260 and so on. But the number, it can be confusing. So if you're not sure how it goes with the number, then leave out this part. Instead, select to register with your email address, which is what I'm going to do in this case. So select what you're interested in, what you want to be learning from the app, what you want to be seeing more. Then you can select multiple entries there, then press next. The next part, you can only take one selection. So choose what year you're in. If you're in high school, if you're in college, select where you are, press next. Now you can select the fields. At this point, you can select multiple fields. Here I'll pick engineering and education since that's what I do. Then to ask your password. For the password, you can use only or letters only, but all that you have to do is at least 6 characters. For my password in the demo account, I've decided to use Jeff Demo. That is about 8 letters altogether. So that's more than this. So this is work. So when you press next, a verification code is going to be sent to your email that you provided. So what you have to do is go to your email address, check for if it hasn't reached here, just refresh. You see that it's going to take even long. Get the code there. Then once you get the code, go back to the app, enter the code that was sent through email. So if you use, of course, then the code will come via text, but email is better if you're having trouble with your number. So after that, next, there you have it. Account has been created and it has been verified. Now to join my classes, of course, you can either search for my names, Jeff Silabu. If not, you can follow the links in the description to join my free class for first year, free math class for first year, and also my CEE class right in the Silabu app. Guys, the links in the description if you want free classes. Happy learning. We'll see you.